Hello creative designers and welcome on to this story. My name is Peter, and on this story we're just going to see how we can be able to make a brick header sticky on scroll. You can see, for instance, in my previous tutorial, if you have not checked it, I will include the link on the description. We just did a tutorial on how you can be able to create a custom, or you can be able to create a header using Brick Visual Builder. On to this tutorial, we're just going to see how you can be able to make it sticky on scroll. I include the link on where you can get Brick. They don't have an affiliate link on that, but I include the link on how you can where you can get it. You can see you can get it one-time payment of $199 and the lifetime license, and this one will work for unlimited website. Just variable when you just consider the pricing, and more features are being added each and every day. All we just need to do is we go to the dashboard. On the dashboard menu, we have this button for Brick. On hover, select template. We added it as a template. We have the shortcode. You can use the shortcode anywhere you just want. So all you just need to do now, we just edit with Brick. Here we have it, and all you just need to do is click on this, the first one here, this container here. It will just highlight everything, and all you just need to do, just head over to setting and go to template setting and select header here. And you say if you want the header to be on side, you can just select either on right or left, depending on how you have created it. I want it to be on top, and from there all you just need to do is just toggle this button, and on toggle it will add more features and more options you can be able to customize on it. But for now we have added it as sticky. Let me just close here, and I just open here and I refresh here. So you see now it's sticky. We can just go further and customize more. Like for instance, we can say sticky on scroll, and you can set on scroll maybe on particular pixel. When it just scroll, the header become sticky. The other thing, you can just customize, we can be able to customize the text here. Yeah, what I just need to do is I just want to use this one here, the color that is the background, or I can just select, I can just say the background color, this text color, I just want it to be like that. And scroll background, I just want it to be white. You can include an image if you wish to add an image. You can add image. You can use a custom field. You can add a custom field if you have custom field. You can add a background video, or if you have one, you can include the link from YouTube, Vimeo, another URL. The other thing, you can add a box shadow. But for instance, before we add the box shadow, let's see what we have just added as the background is the text color. Let's see the effect first of all. So on scroll, you can see now how it changes. On scroll, it changes the background color and the text here. You can be able to just how it look like. So the other thing is now we add the box shadow. We have X and Y. So I include X here, and I say 1, and I add Y here 1, and I can choose a different color, but let me just use this one for now. Let me use red for now, and I save the changes, and after that I refresh here, and on scroll now we see now we have this line here. Yeah, you can proceed to add some shadows and all that. The other thing you can be able to add is custom. That will be my next tutorial on how to add condition to a section or a header. That will be my next tutorial coming up on my next tutorial. Keep in touch. If you're new here, consider subscribing. If you did learn something out of this tutorial, hit the thumbs up. Help me to spread the word to many other people who are in need of my information. Till next time, thank you.